people coming out here. Nice weather, so it's definitely going to be a good day.
Mechanical dream. Forces have created a chemical agent that calls people to fall into a hypnotic state. The affected will become easily manipulated to do ill will. The chemical agent is kept secure behind an energy field that disables electronic machines. Only mechanical paintball markers will be operable inside the secured zone. The objective will be to infiltrate the battlefield and intercept the transportation and manufacturing of the chemical agent. Obtaining props and defeating your opponent will lead you to victory.
Hey, I'm Danger Man. This is my first time here at Maple Shade Farm Paintball, playing in a mini scenario that started at 1 p.m., not like your traditional 10 a.m., and it is quite different. A lot of love is put into their game production. The field owners put together the production on today's game, and I have to say, because it is a smaller field, because it is a little more intimate, because there's a lot of field regulars, they are able to, I guess, slow things down to a manner in which is comfortable for everybody, but not so slow that people are bored. And everybody's been able to really get into the objective, whereas in normal traditional scenario games, a lot of objectives, you got a lot of people just go out and brawl, they get lost, they don't play the objective. That's happening here today. Everybody's playing the objectives, and it's they're really unique objectives, very unique objectives. And I have to say, if you're looking for something different, something a little special, this is absolutely, you know, at first glance for me, an absolute win. I think you should come out and play here.
The new field is awesome. It's tight, open. It gets tight, but it's open. It's awesome.